let's be real. If watching videos was a full-time job, most of us would already be millionaires by now. But what if I told you in 2025 that is actually possible? Right now, there are apps that pay you real money just for watching videos. And no, it's not going to make you a millionaire, but you get the gist. Like, no surveys, no interviews, no complicated setup, just your phone, your time, and a few minutes of scrolling. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 3 legit apps that actually pay people right now to watch this video. And these aren't those fake coming soon type apps. So they're going to be paying you real money and they are available. So let's dive straight in. The first app that we are going to be talking about is Timebucks. Now, this one is not new, but it is solid. Timebucks is a worldwide reward apps that pay you for doing small simple tasks, things like watching videos, playing games, answering short surveys, or even browsing slideshows. But here's the good part, the video task. Like, you can literally get paid to watch short clips or leave engagement on certain videos. It's like getting rewarded for doing what you already do on YouTube or TikTok. Inside the dashboard, everything is laid out clearly. So you will find tabs for surveys, content, and tasks. The task section is where you will find the video watching gigs. You just follow the instructions, watch the video, and get your reward. The best part, it's available almost everywhere, from Nigeria to the US. And the payout is fast once you reach the minimum balance. Timebucks has been around for a while and built a rep for being consistent, which makes it a solid pick for easy side cash in 2025, like 100%. So that is it for the first app. The second app that we're going to be talking about is called Current, and some people also call it Mode N app. So this one rewards you for something you already do every day: listening to music and watching short video ads. Yeah, like, it is called Current for iPhone users and Mode N app for Android users, and it is available worldwide. Lets you earn points for every minute you spend on the app. But here's where it gets interesting. You are not just earning for listening to music, you can also earn for watching short video ads, playing small games, and completing mini tasks. The app even claims you can make up to $600 a year, though realistically that depends on your activity level. The secret is to combine different earning methods inside the app: music plus videos plus games, and your reward starts stacking faster. So if you're already someone who streams music while working, cleaning, or chilling, you might as well let it pay you. Yeah, I said it. I'm moving on to app number 3. This is called Toloka, and it's an hidden gem. This isn't just a watch videos and go kind of app. It's a platform where it's a platform that lets you earn real money by helping train artificial intelligence. And you already know we're in the world of AI, so a lot of companies are looking out for people that can help them train their AI. But many of its projects involve video related tasks. For example, you might be asked to watch a short clip and answer a few questions about it, or record simple videos like walking, smiling, or showing objects. Each task pays differently, but the cool thing is you can repeat certain video tasks and still get paid each time. So it's like stacking micro earnings that actually add up over time. Toloka is global, supports multiple payout options, and because it is tied to AI training, it's likely going to keep growing in 2025. Now, those are the 3 apps that I want to talk about, but because I'm generous, I'm also going to be giving you a bonus app, and this one is called Paidwork. You might have heard the names they are reclaiming before. Well, this is their rebranded, more polished version. And Paidwork lets you earn by doing a mix of things, from playing games and answering surveys to shopping online and, yes, watching videos. Unlike most watch and earn apps that rely on limited offer words like Hideout TV, Paidwork connects to global advertisers, meaning you actually find more available video offers even in regions like Africa or Asia. So if you have tried before that didn't have available offers in your country, this one might finally work for you. So just to recap, legit apps I talked about in this video is Timebucks, Current / Mode N app, Yandex Toloka, and the bonus app, which is the Paidwork. So each of these app works differently, but the key is consistency. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Instead, combine 2 or 3 of them, stay active, and watch your small daily earnings turn into something solid over time. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and of course turn on notifications so you don't miss more updates like this. And let me know in the comments which one of these apps are you going to try first.